Hello and welcome to the needle track training task. Make sure that you've watched the needle handling and needle positioning video first. This is a great task to train needle handling as you're challenged to pass a needle through different loops from different angles. We'll complete the task step by step and we'll start off with the needle in a forehand positioning, going through the first loop, picking up the needle again in the forehand positioning and passing it through the second one. Then put the needle in a backhand position, pass it the third loop. For the fourth one, we also use a backhand position. Every time as we pick up the needle with a left laparoscopic grasper, immediately position the needle with a needle holder. The fifth one, we again use the forehand position. Finish it up, complete the task for the sixth loop with another forehand position needle. So as you can see in this task, we use the forehand position for the first, second, fifth, sixth loop. For the third and fourth loop, we use the backhand position. Now we will complete the task once more, but a bit faster. Thank you for watching the needle track training video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.